0. Let's search for France. 1. Let's search for England. Position 2. Let's search for Cayman. -1. It's not there. So that is the result, but how do we build this? How do we search for a binary tree, and how does it tell us what position the item lives in? Let's have a look behind the code. Okay, so what we have is a search method with a find value parameter being passed in. We're using cur again. So let's play this out. We've got USA, we've got France, and we've got Germany. 0, 1, 2, 1, -1, -1, 2. So let's draw that connection there. Let's draw that connection there. So that's 1, 2. Okay. So we're searching for France. Cur starts at 0. When cur is not -1, okay. If self.tree cur, which is 0, the data, which in my case is USA, matches my search. Well, it doesn't match France. So if France is less than self.tree cur data, well, it is. F is less than USA. We're then going to get the cur, or inside a cur, the left pointer. The left pointer would be 1. So it's less than USA. 1 will go into cur. So cur is now going to be 1. It loops again. Whilst cur is not -1, great. If self.tree cur, which is 1, dot data, which is France, equals France, return cur. So it'll return 1, position 1, which is where it lives. So let's imagine that we're searching for Germany rather than France. So let's keep this going. So we're searching for Germany. At the moment we're looking at France, there's no match. Is Germany less than France? No, it's not. So self.tree cur, right pointer, 2 becomes cur. Nice and simple. So far. Then we loop again. So while cur doesn't equal -1, if self.tree cur, which is Germany, equals Germany, which is my search, it does return cur, which is 2. Now let's imagine that we're searching for, let's say, England. So let's play this all over again. We're searching for England. Cur is 0 to begin with. Is England less than USA? Yes, it is. So cur will become 1. So cur is 1. We're then looking at France. Is England less than France? Yes, it is. So if self.tree, so cur, 1, data equals, it doesn't equal, so let's skip on to this one. Is England less than France? Yes, it is. Cur will become self.tree cur left, which is pointing to -1. So cur is -1. When it goes back up to the top, cur does equal -1, so return -1. So we're basically saying England does not exist. England cannot exist because it's nothing on the left-hand side, it's pointing to nothing. If England did exist, this would be pointing to something else. So it could be pointing to Brazil first. Who knows? But this would not be -1. Or it could be pointing to England. Who knows? The point being is it would be pointing to 3 or whatever, but not -1. So this is basically saying if Kurt is -1, it doesn't exist in our binary tree. So have a look at the syntax again. It's a really simple search method.